You're welcome back. Let's cross over now to the Nigerian interbank market for the Naira behavior for Monday. I'm being joined on the program by a dealer at Rand Merchant Bank, Tosin Oshukoya. Good afternoon, Tosin.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome. Now, last week, Thursday, the central bank intervened in the interbank Forex market by selling dollars in order to bolster liquidity and strengthen the Naira against the greenback. In a similar development, it was reported that the Apex Bank in the coming week is expected to continue almost daily sales of Forex to ease pressure on the local currency as foreign investors remain on the sidelines. Did that happen today?
Yeah, the central bank is actually in the market as we speak. The problem is we don't think they have the arsenal, to boost the liquidity in the market. Unfortunately, we will continue to experience, thin liquidity in the market. Right now, the market had traded today at 343. Last week, I think it traded around 353. So we will continue to see prices, moving within that range. Unfortunately, then some of the foreign investors are still, waiting on the sideline, hoping that maybe they could stretch the market a bit. A few of them are still interested. They've been coming in trickles, but it's not enough to boost, the level of liquidity that we desire in this market.
Okay, Tosin Oshukoya there is the head of, is actually a dealer rather, with Rand Merchant Bank, talking about the state of the Naira at the interbank market. And for the activities at the debt market, I'm being joined by a fixed income trader at Access Bank, Musumola Gbadamosi. Musumola, good afternoon and welcome to the program.
Good afternoon.
Now, what is the general market sentiment in the market today?
For the fixed income, what we've noticed is a bit of buying on the bond desk because there's bond maturity tomorrow, 581 billion. But on the treasury bill side, what we've seen is a bit of a sell-off, and this is due to the fact that on Friday, the CBN came in and sold OMO. They offered 2 OMO bills, but they sold just one on the 16th of February at 18%. So what we saw opening market today was an increase in rates.
So what is the yield at the moment compared to when the market opened in the morning?
All right, so for the long tenure bills, market opened around 16.75 and sold above 17%, but right now they're currently trading around 16.85. So on the long tenure bills, we've seen an increase of like 10 to 15 basis points. On the short tenure bills, that's where we've seen the most increase. Rates have appreciated by an average of 40 basis points, while on the medium tenure bills, rates appreciated by 20 to 25 basis points.
Do you expect liquidity to improve in the market when we look at your expectations for the remaining days of the week?
Yes, tomorrow we have bond maturity of 581 billion, and on Thursday we also have OMO maturity of 118 billion. So this week would be a very liquid week for the money markets. But we also have bond and treasury bills auction on Wednesday. So by the time the week ends, if they don't come in with OMO auction, the market should be liquid at around probably 300 to 400 billion.
Thank you so much for your thoughts. Musumola Gbadamosi, fixed income dealer from Access Bank. A major boost to grains preservation has been given by the government in Egypt, as it says that the Bloomberg Grain said its mega project to store Egyptian grains was back in play. The government announced a fiscal decision on this development, saying that after earlier indications that plans had been shelved, that the company might exit the country entirely. The decision comes as Egypt, the world's largest wheat importer, remains mired in controversy over its wheat supplies, with industry officials claiming that over 2 million tons of the 5 million tons of wheat procured locally in its harvest in May exist only on paper. If Egypt's local wheat procurement were misrepresented, it may have to spend more on foreign wheat purchases to meet local demand, even as the country faces a dollar shortage that has sapped its ability to import. In Zimbabwe, the country says that it will issue mining rights to companies listed only on the local stock exchange and will not allow the export of raw materials without ministerial approval. According to a draft mining bill, it states that works have been ongoing for more than a decade and now will be sent for debate in Parliament. Anglo-American Platinum, Impala Platinum, and Aquarius Platinum are some of the foreign mining firms operating in Zimbabwe, but they're not listed on the local stock exchange. And that brings us to the end of Business Incorporated. Many thanks for watching. I'm Bolaji Akinwale. Goodbye.